The Nasdaq climbed to a record high Monday. Investors bid up mega-cap growth stocks like Apple and Facebook as a new round of COVID-19 restrictions underscored the economic risk of the worsening pandemic. Some investors now consider stay-at-home tech stocks like Apple and Netflix as defensive sectors that could benefit from another round of public health restrictions. That helped drive the Nasdaq up nearly 0.5%. But investors sold economically sensitive sectors such as energy and financials, pushing the Dow down 0.5% and the S&P 500 0.2%. RB Advisors Deputy Chief Investment Officer Dan Suzuki.
Today's session is really about this sort of back and forth dynamic we've had in the markets. So last week we saw a reopening trade, and so the reopening stocks work. Today is a bit of a lockdown trade, and so it's no surprise that some of the defensives as well as these tech companies are outperforming.
The biggest drag on the S&P, Intel. Bloomberg News reported Apple plans to introduce a series of new Mac processors as early as 2021. Those chips are aimed at outperforming Intel's fastest processors. A former Dow stock was the biggest gainer on the big board. Shares of Eastman Kodak rocketed up nearly 60% after a federal agency found no wrongdoing concerning the stalled U.S. government loan to the once iconic film manufacturer.